Hey guys, just wanted to show you. So we did this bike, man, probably 5-6 years ago. It's a radar laser defense system on a motorcycle. So it has a front radar receiver and 2 front ALP jammers. So we're actually running 2 separate systems, an STIR Plus and an AL Priority 2-head system on a motorcycle. So one of the challenges is obviously we have all the controls, but we don't have a way to put them without them getting wet or anything. So what we came up with is this housing. So this housing houses all the controls. So it's on magnets. So here, this is the STR Plus AL Priority controller and the STR Plus controller. Nice thing about it is you have this acrylic cover which keeps the water off of it, so it just kind of runs off. And then to put it on, slide it on there and that's it. So if we turn the key on, it's a transparent acrylic, so you can still see the Bell STIR Plus display as well as the LED for it. And then these are the 2 ALP priority LEDs. So blue means you're ready to defend against laser attacks, and then obviously this is the controller for the STIR Plus. But so you can see that all while you're driving on the highway. The other thing that we did is it's obviously very hard to hear the speaker when the system is under attack. So what we did is we mounted this LED strip right here on the windshield and made a special adapter. So when there is an attack, this glows red, so you can see that you're being hit and slow down, because obviously on the highway doing 70-80 miles an hour, you're not going to be able to hear some little speaker for the radar laser defense system. So this allows it to go off with both the radar system and the ALP system.